Hey guard, I know we are all tired and beyond exhausted, but along with learning new drill next week, we are also participating in the pep rally. I think that would be a good thing, especially with Winter Guard coming up, and then getting acclimated with being inside of the gym with a lot of people. This will be a good warm up for us as we prepare to start Winter Guard up in about a month or two. So I want to teach you guys a few phrases that are within the pep rally routine, and then that way once we rehearse it, we're more focused on like the drill or layering instead of teaching the choreo. All right, so the first phrase, we're going to start with the silk stripped in the right hand, tab's going to be in the left, both thumbs are down. We're going to slide up to a candlestick on 1, we're going to pull down flat on 2, it's going to be palm up. From here we're going to come up 3, down 4, all right, and then we're going to pull the pole behind us, and our right foot's in the forced arch. We're going to turn over our right shoulder, 5, 6, 7, 8. You should travel to the right just a little bit. Now on 8, we're going to jump out to a demi-plie, looking down, pull us flat at our thighs, right? 5, 6, 7, 8, up 1, flat 2, up 3, flat 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all right? And then from there, you just hold 9, 10, 11, 12, 3rd, 4th, and then on 5th, 6th, we're going to lift up into a silk toss, right? So we're going to lift up 5th, depending on your height. You may have to grab a little bit higher, but we want to shoot for about the middle of the pole. We're going to pull down 1, 2, 3, catch on 3 in the right hand, and then grab over on 4 with the left hand, all right? From here, we're going to do a vertical turn, 5, 6, flat 7. We're going to do a low cone on 8, all right? From here, we're going to rowboat to the left on 9, 10, 11, 12. So we'll continue that to the right side. We turn back over our left shoulder to get back to your original dot, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, all right? So that whole, that's 16. We are flat after we jump out on 8, hold 9, 10, 11, 12, 3rd, 4th, we come up, 5th, 6th, and 1, 2, 3, grab 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, push 9, 10, 11, 12, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. And as I push through those rowboats, it's just like the warm-up. Forced arch, and then we turn to a chaîné, both feet together, open up to 2nd, okay? And then from there, just pull down the flat, switch our hand to under, we hold 4, 16, okay? Those two, that first part together, starting from the strip, we go 5, 6, 7, 8, up 1, flat 2, up 3, flat 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6, and 1, 2, grab 3, grab 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. From here, we're going to do the scoop part of the flag warm-up. So we're going to go down, 1, 2, 3, 4, cross 5, up 6, 7, 8. We're going to slide, 9, 10. We're going to open up, 11, 12. So we're not doing the neck roll. We're going to push through the palm flip, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th. You're going to step and twist to the back. There's going to be 2 parts here, so do the best you can to get a single and a half. If you can't do the single and a half just yet, there's going to be a second part, and I'm going to work with that as we do the drill for this, okay? So we're going to release this. 1, 2, you catch 4, you'll look back. You're going to turn over your right shoulder, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then from here, you're going to lift it up just a little bit. And then you're going to take your left hand behind you and catch in the tab, right? So if you're pretty sure that you can't get this single and a half out, or you have trouble with this backhand, there's going to be 2 parts, all right? Some of you that may be able to do it, you may have to be in part B just to even it out. So don't take it personal. I'm just trying to layer this out, all right? So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm going to cross 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to catch behind my back with my left hand over my right hip, and I'm twisting my shoulders to the left, right? My right hand goes to my Pledge of Allegiance, right? Then from here, I'm going to open up. I come to cradle. I open to the audience. Then from here, I'm going to scoop down, grab bottom tape, grab tab. I'm at a right slam, right? So from that toss, I go up. 1, 2, 3, look 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th, and. So that last part's going to be pretty quick, okay? After that, this is everybody. We're going to be at a right slam over. So I'm going to come up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna pop toss. 7, 8, catch 9. All right, catch 9, switch to left hand on 10. We'll push down through a forced arch with our left foot. 11 and 12. I'm doing a rowboat to come to cradle in my right hand. So from here, I'm going down, up. I switch my right hand and I use my left hand to push it into cradle. 11, 12. I'm gonna jump. 13, 14, 15, 16. I grab bottom tape with my left hand, thumb is up, okay? And it's on the outside of my arm. Flags, you should already know how to do this. Weapons, you should have done this before, right? From here, I'm gonna turn. 1, 2, 3. You gotta get to the front by 3, and I'm gonna push around on 4 and grab and switch my right hand, grabbing thumb up on top. 5, and then from here, I'm gonna go to flat 6, turn 7, 8. From here, I'm gonna go to cradle. 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm gonna grab on 12, just like the flag warm up. Flat 3rd, grab 4th, thumb down at the tab. 5th, 6, you should come back to a right slam, okay? So that last part again, we go up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, switch 10, 11, and 12, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10, 11, 12, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, all right? All right, so from the top with counts, and then I'll do it with music.